super sharp carbon steel 8-inch chef's knife Tiger series from DDF. Feels good, lightweight, and there you go. ये टाइगर सीरीज की नाइफ है अमेज़न से। ये हमारा सेकंड वाला सैंपल था, तो नाइस एंड शार्प है, देखिए, ठीक है ना। Assalamualaikum everybody, how is everyone doing? This is the second sample from DDF, this knife. Let's unbox it. Yes, as promised, the second one from them. Oops. All right, let's put that away. Okay, let's take the knife out. I like the weight. It's very light, just like the first one, very light. Let's take the safety off and try this knife. This is from DDF and this is their Tiger series, and it's best for cutting the meat. All right guys, like I said, I'm loving the shape. Very nice, very nice. Okay, because this is what impresses me, is the shape. Okay, so let's get a piece of meat and try to check out the performance of this knife. Okay, ready? Let's cut some nice thick steaks first. Oh nice, I'm not applying too much pressure, just, you know, very easily. First slice, let's cut another one. This is nice and thick slice, and honestly not applying any pressure. It's cutting very smoothly. Let's put that away, and from the other side, let's try some thin slices for stir fry. I'm going to try to cut as thin as possible for me. Yep. See how thin that is? Very nice, very nice. There you go. It's another one. There you go. I like it. And I'm very comfortable. It's in my hand and very little pressure. I'm cutting the slices, as you can see, and if my hand is comfortable using a chef's knife, believe me, that's a good one. Alright, so in Urdu, ये DDF की टाइगर सीरीज़ की नाइफ है, अंडर 30 है राइट नाउ। ये आपको अमेज़न से मिल जाएगी, लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए सेल पर है। तो मैंने इससे स्टेक्स भी काटी हैं अभी, और स्टर फ्राई के लिए भी बीफ थोड़ा सा काटा है। मैं एक और स्लाइस आपको काट के दिखाती हूँ। ये देखें कितने अच्छे तरीके से कट गई है, बहुत थोड़ा प्रेशर अप्लाई किया मैंने उसके ऊपर, और मेरे हाथ के अंदर जिस तरह नाइफ़ फिट हो रही है ना, मैं कंफर्टेबल हूँ तो मुझे नाइफ़ अच्छा लगता है। अगर हाथ आपका कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो फिर समझें कि नाइफ़ जो है ना वो बेकार है। तो दोनों नाइफ्स में से मैंने यही देखा है कि ये बहुत अच्छी हाथ के अंदर फिट होती हैं। 8 इंच की नाइफ़ है ये, शेफ्स नाइफ़। एक और थिन स्लाइस, ये देखें बहुत अच्छी स्लाइसिंग कर रही है, और just like they said, is super sharp carbon steel. Very very thin. I'm trying this time. Let's see. Bilkul just like a paper. Alright guys, so this is the second sample knife, Tiger series. I tried in front of you and I like it. Go check it out. The name of the company and the link for Amazon is going to be in description, and all other information about this knife, go check it out. I'm pretty sure you will like it because it's very affordable. These are the dimensions of the knife. Don't forget to subscribe, there is another unboxing coming soon, so I will see you later.